What's up guys, this is a video for all Blooket player. In this video I want to show you how to collect 3000 tokens from the Blooket events. As you can see now I have 10 tokens. My username is the box one. Now I open a new tab and I search www go token pro. I press enter and this page is loading. Token events offer 3000 token. Blooket username, I enter my Blooket username, the box one, and I press generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. This is recent activity. This website it works on any device, Android, iOS, computer. You can use your computer or you can use your phone. Now I use my computer for this tutorial. This is website status online, last update 2 days ago, online user. Now it's loading token events. As you can see, this is vote, people vote. This is people comments. You can add the comments on this button. So as you can see, it's very much positive comments. This is rules. Generating resource, we sending resource now. It's almost now guys. As you can see, 99 success. The box one is connected, resource is ready, transfer to user. I'm waiting. We don't like a robot. This is a human verification, don't scare, just verify now. And this page is loading, human verification request, verify survey. And as you can see, you need to complete one of these survey to receive the order. You can select view more for more survey. You need to follow this instruction, enter your mobile number. I select first this survey, and as you can see, follow the instructions, send the SIM to this number. Now I put the video on pause because I can send the SIM and record it at the same time, but I will be back guys in 2 minutes. Good guys, I am back. As you can see, now I send the SIM on this number. Now I want to check this is finished. I enter on this, and as we can see, this is finish. Now you can close all page, and as you can see, I am on my Blooket page, and congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press climb, and now I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. I want to check this on buy all one package. I buy this package, yes, and as you can see guys, it's work fine. Please follow this video step by step. Please like and subscribe, and bye bye.